Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to activate Google Play points in your Android device. So if you don't have it, follow my video instruction. First of all, just open the Play Store of your Android device, then click on the profile you got here on up right corner side, and you will get the play points. Once just scroll down, just click to open, and you're going to click on join. Then you're going to add your credit card or bank card information. After you did that, you're going to just click on yes, I'm in, and here you can see you will get your play points page, and you can collect your free play points. And this is super amazing. Once you just earn the play points, you can just exchange it to Google Play credits, and even you will get the weekly perks when you get on silver or gold ranks. So this is all how to get play points in your Android device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you at the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.